let's get day 3 started. No nods and decking oil, and that is basically to treat all of that wood that is there. So what I've got left currently is the longer ones here are for the roof, the shorter ones at the back are for the floor. I'm going to put like 2 or 3 coats at least, especially on the underside of that, purely because you're never going to be able to treat it again unless you lift all the floorboards up, which obviously you don't want to be doing, do you? Come on, good boy, good boy. Oh yeah. There's one side done. Not easy enough, isn't it? That's it. 8 boards done in literally, well, about 30 seconds. Aeroplane, it's sky up there, look. Shower on that fucking thing. So they're here doing this shit. Where the bevel finishes, that's where I'm going to finish my roof. It's got that flush on the end of here. That's beveled up to that. Looks good, baby. Now let's not fuck this up. Straight in there. You got any sun cream on? No. You're gonna go and put some on? There's some hot kitchen inside in there. You can get some cream on your arms and your legs, and especially at the back of your neck. Like a crisp yesterday. Right, sausage. Got first board screwed either end. Just need to screw them further in. If we get first fuel, then we can get up. Have a look at others how I've done it. You just want to get them flush with board, the screw. You don't want it protruding up. What we also don't want to do is come too far in that we're going through where tongue and groove slots in. You ready for the next one? Yeah. Let me screw it in. Or you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Come on then. So yeah, went on pretty well. Screwed it down instead of nailing it down. But at this edge here, just down that side, look. This board I'm going to have to cut down, which it does say in the instructions anyway, so I'm going to have to trim that back. There's a bit bounce to this roof when you're on it, in the middle. So if you're a lard ass, you might want to try and stay away from bouncing on it like a trampoline. From the edge of the tongue there, so from the edge of the tongue, what was that, 35 mil off? From there to there, let's get a straight edge on it. Now I'll use that as a straight edge for my saw. Once there, from the inside of that line, that's where I want to set that board. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm going to get up now, sweep it off, put some oil on it, decking oil, and then it is done. Spray the son of a bitch. Just nipped to Wickes and purchased some roofing felt adhesive, 25 litres. I was going to get a smaller tin, but a 5 litre tin is only going to cover probably half of it, so I thought I'll get a full 25 litres, give it a good coating, make sure it's fully stuck down, don't want any leaks or anything like that, so I thought let's get a big one. I'll definitely have more than enough, so I'm going to get that on now. Just done a quick calculation on the felt, excuse the poor lighting. So I've cut my first roll off. The roof measures 360 from side to side, from gable end to gable end. It says in the instructions to have 20 or 200 mil either side overhang. So I've measured it at 4,000 mil, which is 4 meters, and I'm also allowing 20 mil overhang at the back. So on my roof, I'm going to mark 800 mil from there to there. I'm going to draw a straight edge across. Then I'm going to apply the adhesive. And there you have it. Look at that. Black. Once you go black, you ain't never going back. Oh god, that smells horrible. Ugh. Right. Next off, I need to try and get that up on the roof. Change of t-shirt because I didn't want to get it all on my Ron John shirt. Ruin it for life. I've marked out on the roof where all the where the felt's going to end up going. So I'm going to need 6 lengths. Being proper generous with this, trying to fill in like all the gaps. Right up to the 800 mil line for my felt width. Not being shy at all. Alright, 200 overhang. Give that a quick measure for overhang, just to make sure. Bang on, man. Bang on the money, honey. So what I'm thinking is that bit of wood, if I paint up to there, that's 200, that's going to cover me overlap. So I know where I'm at. So that's my 800 line up here. Paint up to that. Right, end of day 3, and that is where we're at. Still got quite a lot done, I think. Roof on, as you can see, all treated, screwed down, felt on, stuck down with this ikopro roofing felt adhesive. It sticks like shit to a blanket, to be fair, so just be careful because I'm absolutely snidered in it. Got covered in it. Luckily I've got some decent stuff that'll get that off. But yeah, I'll just give you a quick butcher's at roof. There you go. So that's all stuck down. I've nailed underneath there. There's nails for this layer, and then that's just stuck on top of there. So I'm going to see how I go with that. Hopefully it weathers well. You never know, some bad winds might blow it off, but that adhesive is good stuff. I've used it before in my shed and I have had no issues whatsoever with that. A few other things I've had to buy today. 2 more tins of that. Decking oil. Got a tin left. Should be enough to do the floor. I bought some screws as well. They were £2 ago. We'll do a full pricing at the end of this project. End of day 3. It's done up to you, didn't it? See you later. Got a few boards left.